If you want to become financially stable and achieve financial freedom, you need to understand that building wealth takes time and patience. And also, you need to take real actionable steps to grow your money. One of the most effective ways to grow your wealth is to invest your money so you can earn profits. And yeah, every single person on this planet will recommend you to invest your money. But the question is, where should you invest it? And also, what are the best ways to grow your money? What's up, guys? Welcome back to Glory Investing Show. In our today's video, I'm going to tell you about the top 16 ways to invest your money. However, before we go any further, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to hit that bell icon as well so you never miss any updates. Now, without further ado, let's get into this. So, the first way to invest your money is to buy individual stocks. For those who don't know, investing in individual stocks means that you are purchasing ownership of that company. Now, there are two reasons why you should invest in individual stocks. First, you can make money through the price appreciation of the stock. And the other way to earn money by investing in individual stocks is that you will get dividends. According to a report published by Trilogy Financial, the main advantage of investing in an individual stock is that there is unlimited growth potential. You can also invest in a stock that generates income. But keep in mind there are also risks involved. For example, the company could go bankrupt. And this is why you should first do your research about the company and then invest in its stocks. On February 4th of this year, Investopedia published a report defining index fund as an index fund is a type of mutual fund or exchange-traded fund with a portfolio constructed to match or track the component of a financial market index, such as the Standard & Poor's 500 index or S&P 500. An index mutual fund is said to provide broad market exposure, low operating expenses, and low portfolio turnover. Warren Buffett says that index funds are a haven for savings for the later years of your life. An index fund is basically a portfolio of stocks or bonds. You should also know that they have lower management fees as compared to other funds and lower transaction costs. Yep, cryptocurrency is extremely volatile. However, if you learn about how digital currencies work, you can definitely make money. It is important to note that according to a report published by Good Financial Sense on April 7th of this year, many experts believe that industry is still in its infancy and that crypto will be adopted widely within the next few decades. For example, some industry analysts predict one Bitcoin will be worth $200,000 or more several years from now. If you want to start investing in digital currencies, you need to go to crypto exchange, sign up for an account, and choose the cryptocurrency you want to invest in. Nowadays, some of the best performing cryptocurrencies include Ethereum, XRP, ADA, and Doge. I would suggest that you diversify your investments to reduce the risk of losing money. With that being said, let's move on to our next investment. Gold is not only luxury, but it's also a lucrative investment, and gold is a very unique asset. Because think about it, gold is highly liquid, yet scarce, and it carries no counterparty risk. Simply put, this asset can play a fundamental role in your investment portfolio. According to a report published by World Gold Council, gold acts as a diversifier and a vehicle to mitigate losses in times of market stress. It can serve as a hedge against inflation and currency risk. Gold provides competitive returns compared to other major financial assets. Here, it is important to note that experts suggest that investors who hold 2% to 10% of their portfolio in gold can improve their performance. Although gold tends to get all the glory in the world of investments, silver is definitely a suitable alternative to gold. Business Insider published a report on February 9th of this year explaining why to invest in silver. According to this report, like gold and other natural resources, silver is classified as a commodity, a publicly traded tangible asset. Tangible assets prices generally move in the opposite direction from stocks and bonds. For this reason, many investors turn towards commodities like silver when the stock market has a poor outlook or in times of economic recession or political turmoil. This commodity can be a good way to diversify your portfolio. If you don't have a lot of money to buy land or apartments or buildings, you can simply invest in real estate investment trusts. Let me tell you that REITs offer exposure to the market without the time and cost commitment of buying your own properties. For those who don't know, REITs are basically companies that own, operate, as well as finance properties and real estate ventures.
Here it is important to note that a REIT usually focuses on a particular type of real estate. For example, you could invest in a REIT that focuses on apartment complexes. 99% of the total yearly income of a REIT is distributed among the investors as dividends. For those who don't know, bonds are basically debt security. You lend money to the issuer while purchasing a bond, and the issuer, which can be a government, corporation, or municipality, promises to pay a specific rate of interest during the bond's life. There are many reasons why people prefer to invest their money in bonds. One of those reasons is that bonds offer a predictable income stream. And moreover, if you hold bonds until maturity, you will get back the entire principal. Municipal bonds, high-yield bonds, investment grade, and corporate bonds are the major types of bonds. Investing in collectible cards is not only a fun hobby, but it can also be lucrative. However, you need to understand that buying and selling collectible cards, such as sports cards, is all about your knowledge. Many people usually get caught in FOMO or gambling-like behavior. Moreover, some people end up buying cards in areas where they are not educated. Eventually, they will lose their money. You need to figure out which cards to invest in. The process also includes setting your goals and gaining knowledge about various card buying strategies, card values, rookie cards, types of cards, card value variables, research tools, and risks involved. Investing in real estate can offer you immediate income as well as long-term appreciation. If you have decided to invest your money in real estate, you can make money through rental income, appreciation, and profits generated by various business activities on the property. Here, it is worth noting that diversification, leverage, stable cash flow, and passive income are some of the benefits of investing in real estate. Well, you also need to note that real estate has a low or sometimes negative correlation with other major classes of assets. This is one of the many reasons why investing in real estate can help you lower your portfolio's volatility and provide a higher return per unit of risk. Yeah, you have heard millions of times that you need to invest in your own business if you want to become a millionaire. Well, I am reminding you again. Investing in your own business not only helps you grow, but also lets you focus on what you're best at. Suppose you're doing a 9 to 5 job. Well, you're spending your time to grow somebody else's business. Why not spend your time building your own? Let's suppose that a person isn't able to borrow money from a brick and mortar bank. They can always go for peer-to-peer lending. In this case, you borrow money from an individual or a group of individuals who are willing to lend their money. There are numerous peer-to-peer lending sites available on the internet that connect borrowers to investors. Some of these websites are Upstart, Peerform, Prosper, Payoff, and Funding Circle. You might be thinking about how you can earn money by investing in peer-to-peer lending. Well, you can simply sign up for an account on a peer-to-peer lending platform and deposit the money that you want to loan out via the platform. You can then review loan requests and track your earnings as the borrower makes their payments. Investopedia defines Forex, or foreign exchange, as a global marketplace for exchanging national currencies. Currencies trade against each other as exchange rate pairs. For example, Euro and US dollar is a pair for trading Euro against the United States dollar. Before the internet, it was difficult for individual investors to take part in Forex trading. However, it has now become easier because the retail market aimed at the individual traders has emerged. It now provides easier access to the Forex markets. What you will be doing is buying and selling currency values to make a profit. Low transaction costs, accessibility, and free demo accounts are some of the major benefits of Forex trading. You might also want to note that the Forex market is the most liquid market in the trading world. That liquidity refers to the ease with which you can buy or sell an asset with a limited impact on its value. Although investing in startups is a very risky business, it can indeed be very rewarding if the investment pays off. You need to keep in mind that the majority of new companies or products don't make it, so it is necessary that you first do your research and analyze whether the startup will be successful or not. According to Investopedia's report, for those startup companies that go public, the returns can be in thousands of %, making early investors very wealthy indeed. Here, it is worth mentioning that ordinary people can invest their money in startups through crowdfunding websites. Some of those websites are Republic, Start Engine, Seed Invest, and WeFounder.
These platforms offer a curated selection of companies and require varying minimum buy-ins. We all know that education isn't cheap. However, there is a reason why so many people spend years as well as thousands of dollars to get education. Now, you might be hesitant about investing in your education. Well, you need to keep in mind that knowledge will never depreciate or disappear. In simple words, knowledge is reliability. It is also important to keep improving your skills constantly. Experts believe that the more you devote your time to self-development, the more expensive your work is valued. And most importantly, knowledge helps you discover your true talents. This is another important investment that you might think shouldn't have been included in this list. You need to understand it is more important to maintain your health than to earn money. We have all heard of the saying, health is wealth. And that's actually true. You need to understand that committing to your wealth requires a lot of hard work and dedication, but it will also help you save time, effort, and money in the long run. According to a report published by the Victory Fitness Center, Americans spend twice as much on healthcare as they did in the 1980s, roughly $5,000 per person in 2018. There are countless reasons why you should invest your time and money to maintain your health. For example, you can prevent diseases by maintaining a healthy diet and exercising regularly. Moreover, you also need to maintain a healthy weight since obesity is a cause of several health problems. And most importantly, your life expectancy can be reduced because of illness.
And lastly, you need to subscribe to Glory Investing Show if you actually want to become a millionaire. Why? Because we regularly bring content related to money for our viewers. By this point, you know about many ways to invest your money. However, you still have to learn about a lot of things. You have to learn about how to start your own business, how to become a landlord, how to choose the best stocks to invest in, and a lot more. But don't worry, we're here to help you. You just need to hit the subscribe button and smash that bell icon so you receive a notification each time we upload an interesting and informational video on this channel. This channel is not only about helping people learn how to make money, but we are also focused on helping people learn how to sustain their wealth. Earning money is easy. However, maintaining that wealth is a bit difficult. That's all for today's video. Hey, thanks for watching it. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts and valuable feedback with us in the comment section below. And while you're here, click to watch one of these two videos that are appearing on your screen. We'll see you there. Take care and stay tuned.